How to maximize your Discovery Vitality benefits and Discovery Bank benefits in 2023. We're well into January 2023. Let's go through and spend some time on how to maximize and make sure you get the most out of your benefits this year. We're going to cover three main things today. Let's jump into Discovery Vitality, getting up to gold, if not diamond status, before the end of this year. Step number one, your online questionnaire. So your vitality, age, and mental well-being questionnaires on the website, discovery.co.za. I'll leave a link down below to go and take you directly to the questionnaire. Log in, jump on, get that done. Firstly, that's going to give you a few thousand vitality points. Plus, on your healthy living benefits, healthy food, healthy care items, Woolies, Pick and Pay, or Clicks and Discount, you're going to now push up from 10% up to 15% on your healthy food benefits. So once we've done that, you're going to earn a few points and unlock that extra cash back on those benefits. Then number two is make sure you've done your vitality health check for the year. We've done ours now in December. We did leave it a little bit late. We're going to be redoing ours probably middle of the year, mine and my wife's. So if you haven't done it yet, or it's time to get it done, go and get your vitality health check done, either Discount or Clicks, or at a wellness day, or at one of the Discovery wellness stores as well. HIV, blood pressure, cholesterol, sugar, height and weight, get those done, a bunch of points, plus it's going to push your healthy living cashback benefit from 15% up to the 25% mark, just vitality only. And remember, vitality you can either have on Discovery Health, on the medical aid, or on Discovery Life, a life insurance policy, life cover, disability, severe illness, income protection, and many other benefits, family related, child related, etc. So you can have vitality on either one of those. You've done your online questionnaires, you've done your health check. All that's left, besides a few other specific assessments, and that is your fitness points, fitness activity points for the year. So for the entire year, you can earn up to 30,000 vitality points for the year. And in total, we need 50,000 per single adult member, 50,000 points to get to diamond status. So 30,000 on its own, if you haven't already last year, this year is the year to work on that fitness and those activity goals. So each and every week, the way I sort of try and track myself and make sure I stay active throughout the week is we've got our weekly active reward goals on the Discovery app with vitality. So you need to activate that benefit. Once that's activated, all your fitness points that you earn for your activities, whether it's a gym visit or steps or exercise, monitoring your heart rate with the heart rate monitor and a heart rate device, where you can earn up to 300 points per event. So we earn those points throughout the week. You're going to have your weekly active reward goal. And if you hit that goal, you unlock a play on the game board. So firstly, you're earning points towards your fitness threshold for the year, those 30,000 points for the year. Plus, on a weekly basis, you're being incentivized to hit those weekly goals, stay active, be consistent throughout the year, hit those weekly goals, unlock plays on the weekly game board on the Discovery app, where you'll unlock Discovery miles on that game board on a weekly basis. And every week you can unlock those miles, accumulate them over time, and add them to the other miles that you can unlock throughout the rest of the Discovery ecosystem. So there are three main things that we need to focus on this year: getting those online questionnaires done as soon as possible, going for your vitality health assessment, getting those points done and dusted nice and early in the year, and then lastly, be consistent with those activities week in, week out. Make sure you hit those weekly active reward goals, earn those additional miles, get those 30,000 activity points for the year, maximize those 30,000 points. You'll be well on your way to hitting gold status. And if your health is in pretty good nick, cholesterol and blood pressure and all those goodies are in spec, diamond status without a doubt. If you guys have any particular questions, pop a comment down below. If you haven't already, do subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more work on YouTube, sharing a lot more info, tips and tricks regarding Discovery's vitality, Discovery benefits, how my benefits all come together and work. Till the next one, we'll see you soon. Enjoy. Ciao.